In this video, we are going to make a fruit flour cake. The ingredients you need are whipped cream, cream cheese, gelatin sheet, strawberry juice, plain yogurt, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. Mix the cream cheese with the vanilla extract, plain yogurt, and lemon juice. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 to 10 minutes. Beat the whipped cream to soft peaks. Mix the whipped cream with the cream cheese mixture. Microwave the soaked gelatin for 20 seconds to melt it and mix in some of the cheesecake mixture. Mix that back into the remaining cheesecake mixture. Mix in the strawberry juice. Pour into a bread mold. My mold is 8.5 inches by 4.5 inches by 2.5 inches. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. The ingredients you need for the cookie base are gluten-free flour, warm butter, salt, sugar, and an egg yolk. Whip the warm butter for 20 to 30 seconds. Mix in the sugar, salt, egg yolk, and half of the flour. Fold in the remaining flour. Spread it into the bottom of a cake mold. My mold is 7 inches in diameter and 3 inches in height. Bake at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. Cool down and refrigerate for 1 hour. Remove the cookie base from the mold. Crush it with a spatula. Fold in 60 grams of melted butter. Spread it evenly onto the cake. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Remove the cake from the mold. Cut Cut out thin slices from a mango. Carve flower shapes from the slices. Carve small circles. Carve a different flower shape. Cut a kiwi into thin slices. Carve out leaf shapes. Carve rectangles for the stems. Cut blueberries in half. Cut an orange into thin slices. Peel the orange slices. Cut off the sides of the cake. Assemble the fruit flowers, starting with a stem and 2 leaves for each flower. Use any flower you want on top of that. Fill the top and the sides of the cake with fruit flowers.